As we have learned how to create a chart in Excel, now we will learn different options that how to we change the chart style and the quick layout. So Excel has already pre-inbuilt quick layout which are available here. If you will put your mouse here, you see that there's changes happening in every layout. Somewhere the names are going down, there is data table available, the legends name, and so on. We can change the color of the chart also, like this is the inbuilt chart, the first one. If we will go here, the color of the chart has been changed. We can choose any of these options as per our preferences. There are many options available right now, the green, blue, sub. Now we also can change the styles. To change the style, we will click any of the options. Now you can see here the options has been changed, the design has been changed, the background color complete black, and the style is different, so on, so on, and so on. So we can change the colors, the background colors, the shapes, and the quick layout also, which can help in formatting our chart in different manners. Thank you.